Some people see these images and all they see is an entrance or a workstation. We see a lot more. We see opportunity. The opportunity to make a great first impression. The opportunity to provide a safe walking surface for visitors and employees as they enter a facility. The opportunity to keep your facility clean and lower your maintenance costs. The opportunity to make employees more comfortable and therefore more productive. M+A Matting may be a relatively new name, but it represents two long-standing powerful brands. Mountville Mills and the Andersen Company have more than 100 years of combined mat manufacturing experience.
My parents, Emmett and Nancy Hart, started Mountville Mills in 1963. They taught us ethics and commitment, and they built our business on three principles: do the right thing, do what's best for our customers, and drive improvements in innovation.
M+A is one of the many brands that comprise the Mountville Mills family of companies today. Collectively, we have more than 1,100 employees and 770,000 square feet of manufacturing and distribution space. We're the leading commercial mat manufacturer in the world, with manufacturing plants in LaGrange, Georgia, Dalton, Georgia, Ronsay, Belgium, and a distribution facility in Toronto. Even through our growth and global expansion, we've remained a family business with family values. We pride ourselves on our customer service. Our employees are family, and we have some of the best and most tenured in the industry.
We've recruited and tried to develop talent. We've invested in them and we've worked with them to develop them so that we can move this company forward for many generations to come.
I joined the company in 2006 as an intern. One of the things that attracted me to the company were the values and how they were at the core of every employee. It's not just our history or the years of experience that's allowed us to be successful. We have great people that have an internal desire to get better every day, and to think outside of the box and develop cutting-edge products and processes that really challenge the status quo.
Performance is so closely tied to culture. It's important for us to create a culture where employees feel valued, where they understand how their part contributes to the whole. Because when employees understand their role and they feel valued, they do better work, and they have a natural desire to make our customers feel valued too.
Our commitment to doing the right thing isn't just something written on a plaque. It's a guiding principle behind everything we do. We're adamant about taking care of our customers. That's why we have a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Because if we don't stand by our products, then why would anyone else want to stand on them?
In manufacturing, we're focused on quality, speed of delivery, and being a good steward of the environment. Also, we're vertically integrated, which allows us to control quality, minimize cost variability, and accelerate product development.
We're committed to being good stewards of the environment. We recycle materials whenever possible and minimize waste in the manufacturing process. Many of our products contain recycled content. For example, our Water Hog product line and several others use a fabric that's made from recycled plastic bottles. So not only are we keeping plastics out of the oceans and landfills, but also we're creating an extremely durable, long-lasting product.
I think the most exciting part of our business is our logo mats. The ability to personalize a product is the way of the future. Today we can print mats with virtually any logo, message, or design. We can print one logo mat or we can print 1,000 logo mats, each with a different design on a variety of different surfaces. Our art department creates about 10,000 designs each month and turn around that artwork in less than 4 hours, and in some instances we can deliver the artwork back instantly. Whether you're using mats to build brand awareness at your entrance or you need to provide directions or reminders to customers or employees, the options are virtually endless. The technology we've invested in and the way we're able to print on different fabrics and surfaces, and the speed with which we're able to create and ship mats that are 100% customized is pretty amazing. Most logo mats leave our facility within 2 days. Now think about that. Depending on your location, you could order a logo mat on Monday and potentially have it in hand by Friday. We'll continue to streamline our business to further improve upon these delivery times. Our products touch your life every day, literally and figuratively. Whether you're at the grocery store, in an office building, a hospital, or an industrial setting, chances are you're stepping on one of our mats. There's an obligation for us to make them better so that your facility is safer, cleaner, and more comfortable every day. And we live for that.